Gogeta, Slam Geta.
So this is what a fusion looks like.
Alright, so.
Icon! Leave the rest to me.
Okay, well, Gogeta, let me talk. So, we're gonna start off this video by simply saying that Gogeta is the GOAT. And, first of all, you shouldn't summon on this banner. It's less than good. But, it can still cook. Gogeta is still the GOAT, the best fusion. I have Gogeta, the longest lasting fusion, and I have Vegito, the most annoying fusion. And I've got triple Senkai buff. I cannot fail. So, let's go to the PvP and see what we can do. Alright, this guy's running, I guess that's just mono blue and a sneaky surprise of UI. Let's see if he knows what to do here. Personally, I'd choose yep, and no, I would choose I love Goku, but his app is Zenkai, so interesting why he chose UI. But you know, he can cook. The UI of Cookmas passed, I guess. And okay, prompts that one. Immediate green card, okay. So yeah, that's freedom for you. So, you know, hold this. I'll switch, okay. About to show you why they call me the cook. Oh, yeah. Did not time that right, but still got the win. Fortnite. Battle Pass. Oh, yeah. Blow for blow. You can't go blow for blow. Alright. Go ahead and get this green card out. Hold it. Yeah. Interesting choice. Please let me get that. Oh, that's so unfair. I used mine first. Green card. No Gogeta yet. No damage from you, though, of course. Oh, you're just standing there. That's why you're staying there. Okay. Can you do enough damage to even make you want to switch? No, you are not. That is less than... A rush. Okay. Okay. I don't understand how you have rush, but I guessed it because it's the GOAT. The GOAT. The GOAT of Cookmas Pass. And he's still dead, so I got that green card off, so I'm already cooking. What's good? I'm gonna switch to Gogeta. From Gogeta. Oh yeah. Switch for me. Oh yeah, this guy is not looking good. I'll just tap. Yes, sir, Bob. Ooh. Come on, Pizza. My bad. Don't even matter, because you no damage. Yup. Big L's for you. And I'm gonna get hurt from this. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Oh, that's actually super annoying. Okay. I'm actually gonna switch now, so I'll just go to my GOAT. Goodbye. Oh, you're so annoying. See, you have an example of me not realizing what I'm supposed to be doing here. So I switched to Gogeta, and this guy being super annoying and not having fun. Blue card. Go ahead, switch to UI. Switch. Oh, okay. Interesting choice. Oh, look. All your cards are gone. And, okay. And then you're gonna use yours. No? Easy win for me. Because I'm just so powerful. Yup. And, how am I gonna beat you? How am I gonna beat you? Interesting. Can you do enough here? No, you can't. It's just, yep. Oh, come get the LF. That won't kill. What is your plan? I thought he had it. He did not. Alright, so here we have a Fusion Warrior team. Pretty threatening. Very threatening. Very threatening. Fret. Yeah. I'm so looking forward to this one. He's got a full Zenkai bench. He's got Vegito. And he's got Vegito. And he's got the GOAT. Gogeta, do your thing. And, oh, you didn't even realize. I will ruin your day. Yep. Saw that coming. Okay, keep giving me strike cards. Yep. Keep giving me strikes. Keep giving me strikes. Doesn't do me too much help to hurt my own GOAT, but one is a win. Back to Vegito. Oh, this team is really strong. That is not a lot of damage. Oh, but that's fun. That is fun. I can't use my blue card. So, that's nice. Interesting choice there. Another blue card. Yep, do it. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, I think Gogeta's coming soon. So, I'll just go ahead and check one of these out. Yep. And green card. Do something fun, maybe. Okay. Can't really do something. Yep. Okay. Oh, you have no cover at all. Welcome to Gogeta. I think I'm just, yeah, should have mained. What are you gonna do without a blue card? Watch me win this strike. Too easy, too easy, too easy. You gotta be kidding me. You've gotta be kidding me. Never mind. We're up. We are up. Blue card right to your face. All for the gram. Oh, you're falling for that every time? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Press this button, and I will send you back to the Stone Age. Big bang. Final Kamehameha. Yeah. Tap. Yep. Go ahead. Do it. Do it. You scared? I have no blue card, so it doesn't matter, but still. It's just a thought that I have that power. Okay, that's my fault. I will switch to you. You actually have cover now, because you're not mid. Interesting. Did not drop. Surprising. I don't know why I'm risking Gogeta blue here when I could just revived, but you know, fun. It's fun watching this a second time. Do it. Do something. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What was your plan? What was your plan, Buckaroo? Okay, well that's on me. Does it matter? I'm gonna die. Oh no. Oh wait. It's Gogeta! Go ahead, man. I won't save you. I'm inevitable. Okay, I don't know why you waited there. You could have just went. I will not be taking that from you because Gogeta is the go-at. Don't die, please. You are long dead. Doesn't matter. Gogeta, do your thing. Oh yeah, you fell for that. That's raps. That is raps. That is raps. Let me try to get the LF though. Go ahead, pop that. Come on, give me the gauge. Give me the gauge. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And we're gonna end off this video with an LF. Hit him. Oh yeah. Show him who's boss. I'll beat you. No, you won't. Pocket sand, go. Straight at him. Get out of here. Who's the best fusion? It's Gogeta. Comment. Who is the best fusion? And if I see a single Vegito, I'm deleting the comment.